I see data science as being the future in many ways. ChatGPT is now a household name, and the bread and butter for a data scientist is machine learning as well as artificial neural networks. My name is Joel Corley. I graduated from the Ritchie School of Engineering Computer Science in August 2023. DU has an excellent curriculum. When I began looking at schools which offered a master's program in data science, the very top thing was the curriculum. When I got into the program, I found that those excellent courses that were put together had excellent professors that had put their heart and soul into the classes. This was definitely a graduate program that was aimed at taking you to the next level. I interned at a fintech company as a data scientist. Anything and everything that you might do at a financial institution would be captured in a data set. And I was dealing with millions of rows of financial transactions to predict what factors contributed to credit union members closing their accounts and leaving the credit union. The master's degree in data science has very well prepared me for any endeavor within tech. It's offered some amazing career opportunities that I don't think would have been available to me if I wouldn't have taken on the challenge.